Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get blurry background filter on TikTok. Okay, there are plenty of filter with blurry background, but this one I'm going to show, it's my favorite. Okay, this one, because this don't change your face. Different the other filter I tried, they change your face, too much makeup. So let's go with this effect. Get this one. What you can do, just go to effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, okay, I'm in favorite. Remember this image, this is the filter. So go to your trending section and look for this image. If you can't see the filter here in trending, what you can do, come on the search button. Okay, and here search for blurry background. Okay, the third one with 309k videos, tap on it. Okay, got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, what you can do, just go to your For You page and here search for blurry background filter. Okay, the second one, tap on it. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you will get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you guys.